Hi, dear friends. Well, one of the questions many people have is how can I make positive changes in my life? Yeah, we all want to improve our situation. How do we feel with ourselves? How we feel with relation to the world? How we interact with other people? Yeah, it's natural to want to have a better life or more peaceful life, more fulfilling life. Yeah. But each one of us has their own obstacles or things that stops and prevent. So it's really a good question to ask oneself. How can I make positive changes in my life? So that I can actually create the life that I want to have, rather than this random life that I have at the moment with all these things that cause unnecessary pain and obstacle that stops me, prevent me. Yeah. So first you need to actually come to an inner agreement in yourself that that's what you want. You want to improve your situation. You want to improve your life. And really it is that you want to connect with this natural power, yeah, that is in each one of us and it's out there in nature, this power to grow. Yeah. And you want to grow as a person, as a human being. And you want to remove all the things that block, that hide the light of the sun and makes you feel as if it's dark or impossible. Yeah. And even though it might appear to you to be at the time impossible, or I don't know how to make these changes. I can see this wall, but I don't know how to get over it or to the other side. I don't even know what is on the other side. Yeah. But just come to an agreement in yourself. Look at your life, look at your situation, and actually say, yes, I want to make positive changes. Yeah? And you need to come to this agreement a number of times. Just saying it one-off will not be sufficient. Yeah, because it has to be deep. It has to come deep. Good, become really a real reality in yourself. Yes, that's what I want. Yeah, I want to be on a line of progression. I want to see my life improving. You don't have to sit with the watch and say, I want to be like that on Monday or 10 o'clock or 11. That's unnecessary. This will only cause pressure and stress and actually will stop you. Yeah, because changes, this kind of personal development changes, takes time. It's okay. It's a process. And in a way, that's something that we can do all our life. It's a never-ending process. You can always get better and better and better. You can grow and grow and grow. Yeah, even the skies are not the limit. Because as we go, we grow, we can see there's more and more and more opportunities and possibilities. Yeah. So just take good looks at yourself, you can write things down if you prefer, find it easier, you can draw pictures, whatever is your method, whatever makes it easier for you. To have a look at your life without judgment, without guilt. Yeah, there's no one to blame. It's nobody's fault. Yeah, nobody did anything on purpose, not even you, not other people, not your parents, not even God. Yeah, there's no one to blame. It's just a situation. Yeah, to just look at it. Yeah, notice what is strong in you at the moment, what is weak, what is causing unnecessary pain, what is stopping you. Yeah. Just an honest look. The picture of your life, with no judgment, with no good or bad, without any giving it marks or whatever. Yeah, just look at it. And come to a decision again and again. Yes, I want to make changes, positive changes. Yeah, I want to remove some of the obstacles. Now once you make this decision, and it's actually real and strong enough in you, now you can start search for, well, how can I do it? Yeah? What is it that I need to do to be able to make these changes? But the first step, yeah, is to agree. I make this agreement real and deep. As much as you can, yeah? It will grow, yeah? It's not, we're not talking about making the perfect decision. Yeah? Just that you see and you want to, he says, yes, that's what I want. I want to make positive changes in my life. Yeah? And once you do that, you can start walking. Okay? So I hope this will help you, and you will find it useful. Take care. Remember to be kind to yourself, be kind to other people, and offer help whenever you can. We all need help. Yeah? It's a big struggle that we all facing to liberate ourselves, create better opportunities for us and for others and for the world. So let's try to help as much as we can. All the best. Bye-bye.